Okay, so this next question is asking us to find the magnitude of the acceleration of the 19 kilogram block. So of this block, we want to see the acceleration of that block, or the magnitude of the acceleration of that block. So in order to solve this question, what I did was I set 190 minus t equal to 19a. So we do 190, and we know what t is, so minus 150 sine 20 plus 15a equal to 19a. So now that we have this equation, we can start simplifying. So we have 190 minus 150 sine 20 and set it equal to 19 plus 15a. So because we see that we have an a here and an a here, so we combine them and take out the common a. So now this is equal to a, so we're solving for a, so basically we divide by 19 plus 15 here and divide by 19 plus 15 here. So we'll have that a is equal to 190 minus 150 sine 20 divided by 19 plus 15. So once we solve this is simple to solve in the calculator. We have that the acceleration is approximately 4.0 meters per second squared. So that's the acceleration of this 19 kilogram block. So the answer is A.